What is up, people? It's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we'll test how to get free scripts for Blox Fruits game for your Roblox. Absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on Browse All Scripts and click on Blox Fruits. So it should load up like this. And then we will have to enter our Roblox username or our user ID. Guys, don't worry because it's all what we enter here. So only our username or our user ID, and that's enough. So I will just enter my username, Josh. Oops. That's my username. Click connect account. When you enter it, it will start fetching our Roblox profile and you should get this. So just confirm if it's you. So there we go. Now we're connected, guys. And now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use these scripts. But don't worry, guys, because we can import Delta executor. So if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just make sure to select I already have a different executor. And if you have no, like me, just select no and import new as Delta. So click there, guys, and boom, there we go. Now we will select our scripts that we would like to install and get along our Delta and to use these scripts on our Blox Fruits. So let's select the scripts that you like. I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna and just click continue. And guys, you can also Google them and see what features they have. So I will just continue with this just for test and to make sure that it's actually working. Let's wait for this API to connect. And there we go. API is connected. Our 4 scripts selected already, and we got our activation key as well. Nice, guys. So now we will click on I'm not a robot because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot. Let's see what we will get. So we should get verified, right? Nice, guys. Look at this. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our scripts are imported, and look at this. Our key is now fully revealed. Nice. Let's open our Roblox and let's see is it actually working. So let's find Blox Fruits. Oh, there we go. I will click there, click play, guys, and then let's wait a little bit. I will rotate my phone and let's make sure that it actually works. I hope, guys. So let's see. Look at this. Oh my God. Guys, we got our working Delta. Look at this. Thank you for using Delta. And now we will select something and we will make sure that we actually got our scripts imported. So let's see. Nice, guys. Look at this. Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna, just as we selected. I will execute this NICUs, for example, guys, and we can also test more. So look at this. We're actually getting our script working. Look at this, guys. We got our Blox Fruits scripts for free working. Amazing. Let's see. Farm chest, safe, or farm nearest. Look at this, guys. It works amazing. I cannot believe that it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Bloxforge.com was the only working one. Guys, I cannot describe how happy I am and how excited I am. Literally, I'm shaking right now because it worked after testing a lot of websites. So I'm going to play my Blox Fruits game literally whole day with this. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.